Good morning and welcome to Agoracom Small Cap Stock News. This is the show for Monday, July the 14th, 2014. I'm your host, Alan Barry Labucan. I'm also the Chief Market Commentator for Agoracom. Every morning we go through a bunch of press releases and find the ones that stand out. I talk about what it is in their news that stands out. And I also take a look at their stock charts, give you some insights into what I see in there as well. Each day we try to keep the show to about a 10-minute time frame. Got 6-7 companies to talk about today, so we're going to get right to it. The first company I wanted to talk about today is actually two companies, and they're both Agoracom sponsors. One's Lexaria and the other is Enertopia. These companies have a joint venture, and they've moved forward. They're in the medical marijuana business, and they've moved forward with the development that they announced that they've got the approval of Burlington. The city of Burlington has given them the green light to go ahead and build a medical marijuana production facility in Burlington, Ontario. That's an important step towards getting a license to be a medical marijuana grower in a commercial sense, and now they've got to move towards the federal approval, but they're well on their way with the approval of a city. In this case, Burlington, Ontario, to move ahead with their whole process. Lexaria's stock symbol is LXX, and Enertopia is TOP. The next company I wanted to talk about is Fission Uranium. Fission Uranium announced 4 meters of 23.53% uranium. Just spectacular drill hole result. They also had 6 other holes with high-grade assays as well. This company continuously drills into high-grade uranium like this at their Patterson Lake South discovery. It's a world-class discovery. It's near surface, high grade. It's got a lot going for it, and I think it's got the potential of being a future takeover target. The market today, the stock was up 2 cents on 827,000 shares traded hands. Last at $1.19. Just looking at the stock chart, and it looks like it's breaking out off of a recent bottom here, and I like to see that. This stock, I think, is very cheap relative to what they have, and I think that the market, with uranium being out of favor right now, Fission Uranium is not seeing a reasonable valuation for their what they have. But I think that I think that there's a takeover offer coming, and when that happens, I think we'll be quite surprised at how much different it is from today's price. The stock symbol for that company is FCU. They trade on the Venture Exchange. Next up is Fortuna Silver. Fortuna Silver drilled 3.3 meters of 1,029 grams per ton silver at their San Jose mine in Mexico. They had several other great intersections. Included in that intersection was also 5.94 grams per ton gold. So it gives it a 1,385 gram silver equivalent grams over 3.3 meters. You can find the rest of the drill hole results on the company's website. Surprising today, the stock is down 16 cents on 336,000 shares to $6.02. That could be because today the price of gold and silver are off, so the market is hammering the stocks. But this one's been on a tremendous move since the December lows at around $2.68, and this is simply because this is a very good company, a silver producer. silver focus. I like Fortuna Silver a lot. I've featured them in the reports a lot, and I like what they're doing. FVI is their stock symbol. They trade on the Toronto Exchange. Next up is Legend Gold. Legend Gold announced that they hit 4 meters of 66.59 grams per ton gold at their Diba project. This is in Mali, West Africa. They had other intersections there with very good grades as well. You can see the table on their website. What's also interesting about this project is it's right at surface. So they're getting some very good grades right at surface, and that makes it a very interesting project to me. Stock is up 2.5 cents today to on 31,000 shares traded, last at 25 cents. This is a very patchy trader and in definite need of audience building, but I can't ignore those drill results when I see them. LGN is their stock symbol. They trade on the Venture Exchange. Next up is Richmont Mines. Richmont Mines reported 107% year-over-year increase in their Q2 production to 29,000 ounces, and they've increased their 2014 production guidance. Their guidance was formerly 75 to 85,000 ounces of gold, or sorry, their original was 70,000 to 80,000 ounces, and they've increased it to 75,000 to 85,000 ounces. They've got a cash balance of over 32 million as of June 30th, 2014, and that represents an increase of over the 13.5 million that they had at this time, or in March 31st of 2014. So they're building up cash, they're increasing their production, all very good signs for the company. Stock's up 4 cents today, which is a good move considering how most gold stocks are getting hammered today. That's on 107,000 shares traded in hands, last at $1.42. This one had a big move from December lows at around $1.02, moved up to 207 very quickly in a couple months, gave back a lot of those gains, but maintained on the pullback after the high. They only came down to around $1.18, and they're bouncing off that now. I like the chances of this one moving up, and I think that we'll have it on the next best of the best stock picks of the week show. RIC is their stock symbol. They trade on the Venture Exchange. Next up is Scorpio Gold. Scorpio Gold announced that they produced 9,034 ounces of gold in the second quarter at their Mineral Ridge operation, and they provided an update on their life of mine study. This is 70% owned. It's located in the Mineral Ridge is located in Nevada. And you can find the details of the press release, or all the details in the press release on their website. Scorpio Gold is down 0.5 cent today on 15,000 shares traded, last at 23.5 cents. Just pulling up their stock chart right now, and this one's been a flatliner basing for the last 2.5 months. You know, I need some sort of indication that this one has a chance to break out to the upside. SGN is their stock symbol. They trade on the Venture Exchange. So that's a wrap on the news for today. As always, before making any investment decisions, it's important for you to do your homework and speak with your financial advisors. On that note, you have a great day, and we will talk to you soon.